Sit back, relax, and take a virtual ride with me. You'll see interesting places you probably haven't seen. I hope you enjoy the ride and discover new places with me. Sit back, relax, and take a virtual ride with me.
Hello, sports fans. Ben's from Ben Hang-Ups here. We got a special video this week, and we're going to introduce you to that new song, Virtual Reality. You've heard the intro of it in some of my latest videos, but now we're going to introduce you to the whole song, because this song was written for Ben's Hang-Ups, specifically for Ben's Hang-Ups. And Ben's Hang-Ups has exclusive rights to use this song. Now, it was written by my good friends Joe Neer and Richard Rocco Johnson. Joe Neer does the musical part. He's the singer, the talent, you might say. But Rocco's the brains behind this operation. He's the producer and the engineer. Quite a guy. And Joe's done a good job for me on this too, by golly. And I hope you guys like this song, because I'm crazy about it. I am. I love this song. I think they did a fantastic job on this. And I hope you do too. But we're going to introduce the whole song to you right now. It's a short video. It's just a song. But you get to hear it first. So I'd like you, when you're done, or when I'm done when the song is finished, to leave me a comment on what you think. If you think it's a great song, a good song, maybe you don't like the song. It's alright. I love it. If you don't, that's fine. Just let me know. Other than that, sports fans, as always, old Ben from Ben's Hang-Ups, well, you know how it goes. I'm going to see you down the road.
Sit back, relax, and take a virtual ride with me. You'll see interesting places you probably haven't seen. I hope you enjoy the ride and discover new places with me. Sit back, relax, and take a virtual ride with me. There's a beautiful country out there to see. Relax in your seat and turn on your TV. Sights and sounds will fill your video screen. Historic sights and majestic scenery. Small town parks and festivities. No high price gas or anxiety. All of this from me to you I'll share, and you won't even have to leave your comfy armchair. You got the whole wide world to see. Great destinations and friendly people, overseas shining sea. I hope you enjoy the ride and discover new places with me. Come on back and relax and take another ride with me.